Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials group. Make sure to check this group out and join. Let's jump right in. This poster wanted to know how to cut these people out. I'm only going to show you one because it does take time to cut these out properly. So let's just grab the last one here. And basically what I would do is grab the eraser, because if we use the magic tool, it's not going to grab everything properly, and you can see these jagged edges. They just don't work very well using the magic tool. So what I'm going to do is grab an eraser, and I'm going to grab a brush, a soft brush, and grab the eraser, and you see that's even big. I'm going to make this more like 3-point, and you just carefully erase around your image. It's okay to cut into it a little bit, because if you don't cut into it, what's going to happen is you're going to see some of the edges on your outline. So you go ahead and cut into the image a little bit like that. You see, I'm not doing it, let me zoom in. I'm not doing it out here like this because it leaves portions of the background, which in this case is the grass. And if you cut into it a little bit, you lose that outer edge. And it's okay to cut into it, because what the audience doesn't see won't hurt them. They don't know what's missing if they don't know what's there. And once you finish cutting out with a soft eraser, then you can grab the polygon and start at one end, and we're just going to cut everything out basically in between the image that you want to keep and the background. And now that we finished making the outline, all we have to do is right click and select the inverse, which selects anything else outside of that outline, and I'll hit delete. That cuts our subject out. This process took about 10 minutes to complete. So if you got, a bunch of different players, yeah, it's going to take a little bit of time to do that. But you're going to get the best look out of it. Let's see how this looks. I'm going to create a new layer and fill it in with black. Take the paint bucket and fill it in. Let's drag that layer underneath. And there we go. That's all there is to it. Doesn't look too bad, and it's cut out. Now we can do whatever backgrounds we want to do, and that's all there's to it. This is Rich calling it quits for this quick tutorial, saying over and out. Be sure to visit us at the Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials group. Bye.